Exercise 4. Introducing yourself. Listen to some self-introductions and complete the information about each person.
1. Hello, I'm Erica from Leeds. I'm a freshman in college. I like sports and I go swimming after school. I go about once or twice a week.
2. Hi, my name is Marty Cheen from York. I'm a salesman in a big department store. I like music and I often go to concerts at weekends.
3. I'm Tim Russell from Edinburgh. I'm a college student. College is very expensive, so I have to do a part-time job in a restaurant at weekends. I plan to visit Europe this summer, so I have to save almost every penny for this trip as well.
4. My name is Linda from London. I'm in high school at present. I have a part-time job in a fast food restaurant. It's hamburger heaven. I want to go to a good university, so I have to save all my money for college. I work 3 hours on Saturdays and Sundays.
5. Hello, I'm Rita from Bristol. I'm a receptionist at the BBC. My job is to answer the phone. I like to talk to people. I like to go shopping with my friends after work, too.
6. My name is Chris from Leeds. I'm a bank manager in the Midland Bank. I like rock music very much. I have twin girls and they love rock music too.
7. I'm Sue from Manchester. I'm an EFL teacher. I teach in the London International School. I often take my students to see films. After school, I like going to dramas very much. My favourite is Hamlet.
8. Hi, I'm Richard Lee from Birmingham. I'm a doctor and work in the General Hospital. I love sports. My favourite sport is swimming. I swim twice a week. I also like to play football.